Hello. Today I have a challenge to translate some content inside Google Sheets to the target language. Manual copying and pasting from one service to another service is not an option. We have a lot of languages, we have a lot of text which should be translated. Text relatively small, uh, but still it's a lot of text. So we have an option to use GPT API through extensions from Google Sheets extensions, AppScript. I search for a function which will do this stuff. I edit here my API key, edit model. For now it's only 3.5. I will explain a bit better why a bit later. So what I did as a result? As a result, I put here two columns like prompt 1 and prompt 2. So here is column for prompt. In this column I'm just saying to GPT that translate from English to some another language. I will show later. And in this I said that just show translated text. Here is the text to translate. I will show how it's combined later. In general, here we can put any prompt. It's prompt engineering. Need to check what works better, works not better, and so on. I just put here just to test. So what we have here? Here we have a function which use if we have blank text here, like for example we have here, you see, empty row, it will not do anything. So if empty, then we put here empty string. If not, we are calling our function which I did in this document. In this function I use another function. Let me show you what exactly it did. It's concatenate first prompt with language, target language from column, yes, from here. So translate the following text from English to German. Just show translated text and so on. Also it concatenate prompt 2 with text from D2. And as a result send it to chatgpt function. This function works on any change in any prompt. For example, if I will change it here, we'll just add space, it will recalculate. You see, loading, that's it. So, and to use it in another column, I just do copy paste like this. If something change, I can put it Ctrl C, Ctrl V, and so on. But we have a problem here. What's the problem? Sometimes, first of all, it is GPT 3.5. It's not very clever guy, and sometimes it shows a bit wrong info, some additional info, and so on. Give away Micah. This is why. This is because I put prompt here, not correct prompt. Let's update it. So you see here also quotes which should not be there. Maybe it can be solved by prompts, but not sure. In any case, some small manual adjustment required. and this text, you can't edit this text here because it is formula. If you need not formula but text, you should do like copy paste. We can do it even like that. Like that, copy and paste values only, and then we can edit it. This one. This one. But not sure that it is okay. Maybe we need to copy paste all document when it's ready and so on. It's just example. So what else? For example, if you need to translate it to Spain, you just copy again this column and translate it to Spain. That's all. You can do like that, and it will calculate all fields. Of course, it can be changed from this copy paste to some button which will do the same job. But again, here is some problem which I mentioned, that in case we want to use GPT-4, we have a limitation. This script which I showed can be executed only for 30 seconds. If more, it returns an error, like here you see, exceeded maximum execution time, and that's all, because Google allowed to show only result in 30 seconds and nothing more. To do it again, let's try one more time. Now it's translated okay. Sometimes GPT can respond a long time, so it's possible that errors will occur even in 3.5. But in case of GPT-4, these errors occurs much more frequent, and it's a problem which can be showed in an hour or 30 minutes. Yes, it requires development, because we need another solution, not just call OpenAI API. We need to use queues and so on to solve these issues, to solve issue with 30 seconds. But in general, it's possible. But it requires involving development or SaaS teams. I'm not sure if they can do that, to create mechanism of this queue for to solve this 30 seconds issue. But in general, even in case of 3.5, translations not so bad. I can say that most of the translations which I saw here before and see after my changes is quite okay. They are quite similar. So maybe it will be enough to use 3.5. So to use it, we need to create a template which will have included extension with this code. We need API key of the company. I can't use my own because all my money will fly out. So after that, we will be able just to put formula in the cell and use it on any cell we want. Actually, that's it. That's possible without going to any other service, just inside the Google document. Just need to use it. Thanks, that's all.